Okay, so we are going to retrograde it. Okay. Um, who wanna do this? Aish, you're first. Aish, are you here?
No, no, he's not there.
Oh, he left. Okay, Priyanka, then you do it. First question for you. He'll join, right?
Yes, yes, he was somewhere outside. He said
Okay.
he'll join.
Yeah, Priyanka.
Okay, so this answer will be D because I think we had already discussed this question
Mm-hmm.
that this will be as per like 2 5 like क्या lexiconically क्या बोलते हैं उसको
Lexicographical.
हाँ lexicographical
Basically, the dictionary order, right?
yeah dictionary order correct
Right.
so like you will get 2 5 then like 55 is sort of still smaller than 75
Yeah, yeah. So that's why the answer is all right.
correct
So we'll go to the next one. So if I say that, okay, let's again discuss this again. Okay, once again. Mm, good. How do you sort it in ascending order, then descending order? We'll just have a recap of that also once. Hmm?
okay but can we sort it in this way also how to solve if I want in proper order mathematical order
Yes, yes. That's what we're talking about now.
Yeah, we need to pass an expression.
One second. One second. One second. I just go out. There is a kid in the
yeah
house. My sister's son.
oh I was going to ask you whether it's your child okay
Sorry, Priyanka. Can you repeat what did you tell?
I said I was going to ask whether it's your baby.
Did
I
not
think
get what you
Gokul is unmarried now.
Acha, unmarried, yeah? Okay.
Huh. Okay. So yeah, how do we change it? Like, how do you change it to like sorted order?
Uh, as far as I can remember, I can recall,
Hmm.
professor said that we will have to pass an expression with this function
Correct.
to get it done mathematically.
Yeah. Do you remember how to do that? I mean, do you have it? I saw it here. Hmm.
No, no, not here in the lecture.
Maybe in the lecture or in the activity questions it will be there. But let's
Yeah.
check that. Okay. Probably they may have one. Let's see. Huh. Exactly. This is what we are supposed to do.
Which function AB return A minus B?
Hmm.
Uh,
Yeah. Any doubt
we
with
can
this?
also pass arrow function here, right?
Sorry.
Why A minus B? Why A minus B?
We need to pass true for two arguments. So when first argument 100 and second is 40, let us say. So 100 minus 40 is true, so 100 will come first.
Acha,
So this is how.
understood.
Oh, or the other way around, I guess. Right? Other way
Yeah,
around.
yeah. For
Actually.
descending
40
order,
will
if you
come
want,
first.
then B minus A,
Yeah.
correct?
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah, descending order also you please type. Can you do
Yeah,
B
it's
minus
nothing.
A?
B minus A simple.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
We need to pass a function, and the function should return B minus A. See, now we got the descending order. Is that clear?
Hmm.
Yeah.
We can also pass an arrow function, but I'm not sure. Like, ha, yes, you know how to do that. I think I kind of get it, but I'm not
Arrow
sure.
function.
Is this how it is supposed to be?
Yeah, something like that.
I mean, I
We have
forgot the
seen,
syntax.
yeah, A
We have,
comma B should be on the left side. Yes. We have seen this in the practice assignment of week one, right? How to define functions.
yeah, that's right. But no, we are not able to get that. So luckily we are not asked to write a
Hmm.
code by oneself.
Yeah, that's why.
Correct it and do. Yeah, then
That,
we will get
So that's
negative
okay. I think
marks.
I think that's okay. You just need to put an arrow function here. All right.
yeah, inside the parenthesis, the arguments, and then the arrow, and
Which one?
then
Okay, okay.
just a minus b. Not required to write return.
हाँ return के जरूरत
Acha,
नहीं है.
okay.
Yes.
Nice. This is interesting.
It should work.
Oh, brackets. You have missed out the bracket. A minus. Okay.
No, no, it's
Not
correct.
required. Okay.
See, since a minus b, it is returning ascending order. All right. If it is b minus a, it will return in the descending order.
Okay.
That's all. Okay. So we have explored more about this. So we'll go to the next question. We don't have time. Yeah. Next question. Yes. Can you take this?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
So it says which of the following shows the correct output if the program written below is executed.
All right.
So there's an object A which has two attributes,
All
name
right.
Abhi and age is 22.
Hmm.
Then we are creating a list B
Mm-hmm.
and then we are running a for loop
Hmm.
which goes from 0 to 2
Correct.
and push A three times.
Hmm.
Basically, it pushes A to the list three times.
Correct.
So now they are trying to change the second element of list name to Akshay from Abhi to Akshay,
Correct.
and they are trying to print the first object's name.
Hmm.
Since this is the case of call by reference,
Correct.
so this name will appear as Akshay, not Abhi,
Very good.
because
All
all
the
three
names will be
objects
Akshay.
are same.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat?
Yeah, so this is the case of call by reference. What is happening is when they are trying to change the name of second element, the first element's name is also getting changed because they are just same objects, three reference pointing to the same object in the
Exactly.
Okay.
list.
Here. Priyanka, are you able to understand?
No, just one second. Oh, but this, how is it? Which is the, hang on, which is the object here? What
A.
is being pointed? No, object is A, and who is pointing to A?
The three times you are trying to push A inside B, right? In line
Yeah,
number 7.
yeah.
So they are not three different copies of A. They are just the same A, and the list is just storing the reference of A.
Acha, it is storing only reference of A,
Yeah,
is
it is
it?
the concept of shallow copy and deep copy.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. So that means B is referring to a, like B is an object, or
B
rather
is a list
B is a list, yeah,
or an array.
yeah, array,
Mhm.
in
And
which actually it is storing reference
of
to
of
Yeah,
A three times.
correct. Exactly.
yeah. So
Okay.
actually, what happens is whenever you try to create multiple objects like this, because see, you have just single object A, but
Hmm.
in B you are trying to push A three times.
Yeah.
So the interpreter or the compiler does not really create three different objects of A. What it do is it just simply stores the address of A, which we can also call as reference of A.
Correct.
Okay.
If you want the deep copy, there are some other methods to create the deep copy.
Mm-hmm. So Ishita, you are okay with this, right?
Yeah, I got it.
We have got this. Ayush, Abrar, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
got it, but how to know that like we are using call by reference or like uh,
Exactly. See, here,
So,
yeah, okay, yes, go ahead. You wanna say?
Yeah, I think someone else just spoke. I don't-
Acha.
mm,
Ayush was
yeah,
speaking.
I was saying,
Hmm.
like, call by reference is when the object is iterable. So, like, if it has list inside list, or list in or dictionary inside that list, or something like that, when the object is iterable. If A is equals to 2, then that is not an iterable object. Like, A is not an iterable variable.
Correct.
If A is equals to some list,
or
then
dictionary?
it is an iterable object. And
Okay,
if that is an iterable object, it will appear as an क्या कहते हैं, call by
Call by
reference. Like,
reference.
here inside, here this A is dictionary.
Mm-hmm.
hmm.
So I think it is dictionary only, no? So this is
Dictionary.
iterable object.
Mm.
So this object is also will be used as call by reference.
Okay, okay.
Right? Anything else from this question?
Yeah, we can
Like when we are
also
using
call.
like if you're just using a is equal to 2 and here b dot push of a, so
Hmm.
when we are changing that b of 1 as 3, so
Mm-hmm.
it will be like 2 3 2, not like
Correct.
Correct.
3 3. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, fine.
I'm sorry. What did he say? What did he say?
Like when it's not an iterable object, if you're changing one value of b, others will not change, but when it's an iterable object, all other values will change.
Acha, acha. Understood. Understood.
You are saying
Yeah, yeah,
something
yeah.
like this,
Understood.
right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Understood. Understood.
So, how to make this call by value? I mean, how do I make this as call by value? Same thing I want to do, but how do I
Uh,
make it as call by value?
I think we need to do when we are pushing a, we should push a dot copy. Like in Python, we used to do like this. Like we used to
Right.
append a dot copy. मतलब b dot append a dot copy.
So, but we don't have
So that
copy
time,
method here.
Here
so
then.
there here.
Hmm.
So yes, go.
No, I was just saying that copy function is not in
Yeah.
JavaScript.
So, can you, yes, in the background, can you check? Meanwhile, I'll try to do a
Yeah.
different thing. I'll show something else. Yes, you can search for that. All right. Please help me
Yeah.
here. Yeah. See, look at this. This is what you call, say it as call by, the value. I mean, who is this? Abrar, now see the difference. What have I done?
Yes, yes. So this one I can see also.
What's happening?
Understood. Okay, okay, okay.
So every time I'm
We have pushed the values. Every time we have pushed the values.
exactly we are pushing the whole array itself into the for loop. So every time
Yeah,
a new memory location is getting allocated.
this is another way, but the way I was talking about, but it is like a lengthy process, like to
Yeah,
push
yeah.
the
There is
whole
this
list
copy
again and
method.
again.
Let's check that.
Like Ayush, how did you came to know this? Like if it is an iterable object, like did you listen in the lecture or you know it?
This is
Actually,
a concept
I
we have
used.
learned in Python also. Like the object must be hashable or like iterable.
Okay,
There were two things, hashable and iterable. So from there I have got to know.
okay.
Yeah, did you get it? Yes.
Uh, a little cumbersome process as I can see. It includes some 2 3 steps. I think they will discuss in the lectures as well later, as they said.
So is there some clone function?
Yeah, structured clone function.
Yeah, yeah.
First,
Clone function.
Right. We can do
also
the dot clone now. Then shall I try
Yeah.
that?
structured clone.
अच्छा वो तो जावा में होता है टॉप क्लोन इसमें भी होता है
Hmm,
it
not
happens
sure.
here also.
No idea.
No. What did you say?
I
I,
said it happens in Java, this clone.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it happens in JavaScript also.
No, I'm just trying to see if it is possible.
Acha.
So
Okay.
there is a two-step process.
Okay.
First, you can use JSON.stringify to convert the object to string,
Okay.
and then you can parse it back to JSON.
Okay. So that's a complicated, but people, you're okay with this, right? Like, let's go further. Hmm?
If you want, I can share the command.
You want to share the screen or share the
No,
code
no, 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 just the code.
or share the link or whatever.
Hmm.
What is it? Ingredients link.
Just just you just need to replace that with R variable. So write A in place of that.
JSON dot parse. I think should we give it to A? I mean, we should set it to A. I think, right?
Yeah,
Stringify of A. Then I'm pushing
just
A. Okay.
Acha, geez,
this
So
should
should we
control
work.
parse it
R.
back?
Hmm.
Try to print. Let us
It's
see.
no. This is stringified, right? So unexpected. What is this? Okay, sorry for that. Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah, this is working. But these are coming out as a string. I think. Like, right?
No, no, you just parsed it, no?
He has
So
parsed it. So
Ah, okay,
so
okay. Yes, we are stringifying it and then passing it back again.
yeah,
yeah.
Okay. So what does this do? Isn't it the same? I don't know.
There is also one more one step process, but I guess this
But
is
it's
fine
okay.
for
It's
now.
okay. Like we guys are able to do this, right? We'll go further. Hmm? But everyone is okay with this, right? What is called by reference here?
Yes.
All right. So who's next? Abrar, can you take this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, yeah. Take this one.
Yeah, okay. Uh, a const is equal to, okay, it's an,
Hmm? Const equal to we have an
uh,
object.
okay, so an object, we have an object, B is
Hmm.
empty list.
Hmm.
So for I between 1 to 0 to 2, we
Hmm.
are incrementing I, and
Hmm.
we are pushing we are pushing A, like
Yeah.
so we are changing B of 1, name of B of 1, so
Hmm.
it's changing to Akshay. So
Hmm.
what will be B of, I can't see this, B of
Yeah.
8.
So shall we check the answer?
Yeah.
Abi. So it's not changing here.
Oh, so
Hmm.
this is a simpler way of doing things,
No,
huh?
it's not changing. Ah, okay, yeah, that's right. Simpler way.
No, try to, yeah, let us print log B. Yeah, B.
So whatever we are trying to do there, right?
Yeah,
That
yeah, see?
this is
Okay.
also interesting.
So
So
what you have done, अच्छा एक बात बताओ, if we
So
do
Gokul,
only,
actually they are changing B1, I think.
Okay, but
yeah, obviously, yeah, they're changing
uh,
B1. The same previous question also they were changing the B1 only. See in the previous question also
correct, correct, same question.
they are changing the B1 and consoling log B of 0. Okay.
no. But what we are doing here, like in seventh line, we dot push off. What is this? What we are doing here?
Do you know what does this do? Triple dot A. Do you know what it does?
No,
Yeah,
I
it
don't.
expands,
It
it
expands.
extends, yeah, extends or expands, whatever. The full thing it brings here, whatever was there, no, it brings it here.
Okay. Let me
Yeah,
take
yeah.
this.
This okay.
Like
This
how
one.
can you explain? Can you explain Gokul? Like
Haha.
okay,
That's what I'm trying to do. Hold on.
Uh,
Ole.
I can't really recall this, but I guess professor while using it said that it is not very efficient way to do it, and we will just go through these some efficient ways later. I'm not sure.
Okay, this one
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know.
See this. Right. So we have B and C. All right. So what is B like? See, what I want to do is I have a list A. All right. So that list I want to put it inside of another list. Got my point, guys?
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So that is what we are trying to do. So see, the first one console log B. So when I do the B, so it is basically, I mean, this part. See, it was a list. It is removing it from the list and attaching it inside of the other list.
Yes. Yeah.
Right. So when we just added A, so it is adding the object, whatever it is. It is a list type, right? So it is just adding the list here, just like how it is. Got
Oh,
the
but
difference, Abrar?
okay, got
So
it.
coming back to the scenario, what is happening here is same as happening. So you are basically expanding that object.
Just
See,
can you
this
console
is
dot log?
nothing but the reference of the whole thing. So
Can you print run this one once?
yeah, sure. Hold on. Actually, this is what it is.
Okay, but like we are pushing only three times. No, then why it is B of 8?
Now I'm just printing this part. See, console
Okay,
log.
this is okay. Okay, this is okay. This I got it.
Hmm. Or if I just put A also, it will be the same. Okay, if I do console log A, it's not going to change. See, but only difference is that here it is going to be, you know what, it's a deep copy. We can say this is going to do a copy of it. We can say like that. Or take all the elements inside. It's not a reference. It's not called by reference. Got it, Abrar?
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Priyanka, okay? Everyone okay?
Yes.
Great.
So Gokul, if we make any change in A, then it will also be a change
No, this
in
is a deep copy.
console.log.
So this is a deep copy. So it won't affect. That is why they are showing it in the code also.
Okay, okay.
Got
So
it?
if we change the name to Akshay, it will remain Abhi.
Yeah. So that's okay, I think, right, guys?
Yes.
We'll go to the next one.
Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah, see again, triple dot means whatever is there, it will be expanded inside Office. All right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so many now. Y dot filter
Here
dot
also in
map.
Y we will have deep copy.
Yeah, it's a deep copy. Like here, it is not talking about the copyright. Here, it is talking about the expansion. I mean, this part here, it is talking about how it is gonna be stored inside of it. Is it gonna be a single? What is the length of C in this at this point? Can you tell me what is the length of C?
Okay.
Okay. Huh? Yeah, exactly. So wait, I'll show you. So there used to be a question on this about this finding the length of whatever it is. Console.log of is it C dot length?
Yeah.
Will be brackets. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Cannot access A before initialization. That's okay. I don't need this. Right. C dot length is not a function. Yeah. So C dot length is 4. So when I do B dot length, it won't tell 4. Like it cannot do that. It's giving us 6. Yeah, because A has this part, right? So it has been extended. So got the difference? Okay, now I understand. Abrar,
Yeah. No, I got it. Yeah.
yeah, length of C is 4, but a length
Hmm.
of B is 6 because the three elements in A also has been included into the whole list. Like the list has been expanded. Works? Got it now?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Paste this. Um, yeah. So are you able to see this? So this is what the question. Abrar, you can take this question. Oh, did you do the previous question? Then Ishita will take this. Ishita, are you here?
Yeah, yeah,
Hope you're following whatever is
um,
happening. So,
yeah.
mhm,
So we have an array x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6,
correct.
and then we have y, which
Mhm.
first expands x. So we have the same elements as x, and we have 7, 8, 9 as
Correct.
well.
Totally, it will be 9 elements, right? In Y.
Yeah, and then z is equals to y dot filter
Mm-hmm.
x such that x modulus 2
Aruf.
is equals to 0.
Mm.
So this will give us 2, 4, 6, and 8,
All right.
and then we are doing map
Mm-hmm.
I to I square.
Correct.
So it would be 4, 16, 36, and 64,
Mm-hmm.
and then dot reduce a
Mm-hmm.
comma I such that a plus I,
Mm.
okay, and a is equals to 0.
Okay. So once again, let me see the question. What is the, okay?
Yes.
Console log set is there. Yeah.
Yes. So what reduce does is like a plus I. Would it add all of them, or I don't know what reduce does
Let's check this. It is actually adding them, but how is it adding?
adding? Like it gives the maximum value, something like that.
No, 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 no.
I think first it will go to reduce, then it will go to map, then it will go to filter.
No, bro. Not like that. Also.
No, no, no.
But this is the way that stream works, right?
Correct. Correct. Exactly
In
the way
Java.
stream works.
Yeah. So what reduce is doing?
Uh, Does someone know it already, or shall we search it? Okay, but by the way, people,
I
are you
think
guys?
it do the sum.
Okay, I think this is summing of all the numbers. That is all that it is
Yeah.
doing. Yeah, what it is
Yeah.
doing, A plus I. Yeah, the first letter that we got as 4, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So we got sum is 4. Then this A like becomes 4 now. And then you added the next one, which was what, 16, I think. Yeah. Then
Yes.
4 plus 16 is 20. And so on and so forth. Till you will get 120. So this would be become like,
Yeah, it gives 120.
correct.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So, like Gokul, can we just modify it something like a minus I or I minus a, so that we can create a pattern like,
Like this.
yeah, or
It will give minus.
I minus a,
See, it's giving minus
because a
one, right?
is 0.
Because like I think A is nothing but the index. Okay, so
Sure.
let me try something. I'm gonna give A equal
Hmm.
to 2. Okay,
Huh.
so this
Then
should
it will
probably give 100.
122
Let's
only,
see
no?
if it is giving 100. No, 118. What is this?
No, no, because it was minus, no?
Yeah,
Minus.
2 minus 120.
But
Plus will be
um,
122.
Okay, I think it is working like a for loop. We use a for loop to add all the elements. We can use it for adding all the elements, right? So I think it is working like that only.
This
mhm.
is like
A
summing
is
up.
like,
This is like
yeah.
summing up, yeah? Summing up.
So this
A,
reduce function will sum up everything, and whatever if you are giving
Hmm.
100 to A, right? So it
Huh.
will
Yes,
become
yes.
220. Yeah,
Yeah.
230 or 110, right?
Oh, you can
Uh,
use
I think
multiplication or division also.
initial value of A will be, I think, 0. After that, like A will become 0 plus 4, A will become 4. Then 16
Yeah, it
plus
is like
4.
sum is equals to sum plus I.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
So this is giving a different, very big value. So probably,
Yes, yes.
how is this working?
Initial value is A value is 2. Okay, 2 into 4
Yeah.
will be 8. Then 8 into 16.
So
Then
wait, two times like initial value is 4, right? I mean,
I mean initial value of 2 A is 2. Okay, we'll
yeah.
multiply with I. 2 into 4 will become 8.
Okay.
Now A is equal to 8. We'll multiply 8 into 16.
Oh, it's gonna be again multiply, yeah.
Yes, yes.
8
A
into
value, A
Yes.
value, 8 into 16.
okay,
Then 128 into 36.
okay,
Then 36 into 64.
Into
This.
64. Yes. It's the same answer.
okay. So I is nothing but all the elements in the
Yeah,
list, and star is
Um,
at the end. We have to, if it is multiplication symbol, we have to multiply.
yeah.
yes.
Okay,
We are
this is
like A is
interesting.
equal to 2 is initializing A with 2.
Huh,
So
huh.
basically, it is reducing the whole array using a function that we are giving.
Okay. So let's check a little bit more.
Yeah.
Reduce function in JavaScript. All right. Here it reduce, right? Okay, here they have something reduce. So this is the numbers, and dot reduce of my function. I don't know. Let's ignore that. So probably we'll okay. Let's find. I mean, I'm not finding a good example, but we understood the concept, right? Let's read the solution also. Here the filter method is fine. The result of which is given to the map method, which returns an array. The resultant array is then passed to reduce method, which computes the final answer as 120. Oh my god, that's all they are given. Not much,
Hmm.
but it's okay, I think, right? Shall we go to the next question, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Ayush Goel, are you here, bro?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Great. Hi. So, can you answer this?
Okay.
So, what will be the
Yeah,
output
yeah,
of the
yeah. Sure.
program?
Okay. So we have constant object is equals to x here 1 and y 1. Then we have set numbers is equals to x comma dot split. We are splitting after every comma. So this dot x is equals to numbers 0 and this dot y is equals to numbers 1. So basically we have x is equals to 1 and y I think also 1.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have get nums, return this dot x comma y, then 1 comma 1, x Pauli function, net result is equals to 1, that I is equals to 1, I is less than this dot y, I plus plus.
Hmm.
So result is equals to result multiply by x.
Okay.
So we have result as 1 and then x as also 1.
Mm-hmm.
So we are basically multiplying it. So 1 into result will be 1 again. So in downwards we have object nums is equals to 2 comma 3. So basically we will put the values in this function. So we have x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3.
I'm just putting it here. Okay.
Yeah,
We have x
we
equal to
have
2 and
x
y
is
equal
equals
to
to 2,
2. Mm-hmm.
y equals to 3. So result will be, we will focus on result. Result is equals to 1 multiplied by 2. Then again, then it will be 2. Then after I is equals to 2, we
Bro,
will
okay.
begin the
Wait,
pointer. I
wait,
is
wait.
equals to
I,
1
I
to
I
2.
think I'm not able to follow. So we are calling the obj.nums here, right? So that nums is
Yeah, yeah,
basically taking these argument, correct? Whatever we are passing in 2
yeah.
comma 3, it is going to this part, right? And numbers equal to, we are splitting it with the comma, and this dot x is going to be 2 and this dot y equal to going to be 3, correct? Is that
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you are telling?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Great. Okay, so then we call the power function, whatever. So let result equal to 1 from 1 to y. So basically 3 here, right? Starting from I equal to
Yes,
1,
we have
this dot y
I
is
equals to
3.
1 to 3.
Correct. So we have to increase it. Result is 1 into x. So it's going
2.
to be in the first iteration
Result equals to 2.
1 times 2, uh, then
Equals to 2.
times,
Then we multiply by
yeah. So
this dot
for
x.
first
Then we
iteration,
will be
in second
multiplying with
iteration, it will be again multiplied by 2.
2.
In third iteration, again
Then
multiplied
again by
by
2.
2, right? So that,
After 3 iterations, we will stop.
let's see the answer. 8. So which is nothing but 2
The
power 8.
answer will be 8 only.
Yeah, which is nothing but
8
2
only.
power 3, right?
Tell me, no, what why we have to use is get nums result this dot x is equal to comma this dot y. Why do we need to use that?
Okay. So let's see if it is not there, what's going to happen. Still giving the same answer.
Yeah, I think it is not being
Actually,
correlated.
actually, see, there's this getter and setter,
Yeah, generally yes.
right? So this is for nums, it is setting it. Okay. So here it is getting it. But in this case, we are not using that anywhere. Like we are not using the nums at all.
Mm.
Or, or I think I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't wanna confuse.
Like in line number 20, it is just assigning the function some parameters. So it, the set nums,
Mm-hmm.
that function gets called. So get nums is not being used anywhere.
Exactly.
Oh, I think if you want to, for example, print it back, then probably what you can do is, uh,
What do you mean by what?
oh,
What did you say? Print what?
no, supposing we want to print this number, I don't know what number, then probably we can say get nums, like obj dot get nums. If you
No,
will
nums should
do
work.
get no, what about get nums?
Let's try this first once, please.
What nums is giving you?
Nums is
2 comma
doing giving 2 comma 3.
3. Okay,
Actually, it is not get nums. See, it's a get space nums.
okay,
So the function name is not get nums. So see, it is a getter. See, even the thing is coming. Now it is a getter.
okay.
Means when you are doing like this function will call.
Uh-huh. Okay.
See, I'm going to
So
give this
so
code.
this is basically like overloading, I think.
See, the answer is still 8 comma 8, but when I'm printing the nums, it is giving x. I mean 2 comma 2 because I changed it.
Correct, correct.
Setter is working fine. So if I change the setter also, it's going to modify. So
Correct, correct.
getter is basically to get the value. So if you're printing the nums, what it should return?
No,
See
that's
when
what
you,
I'm telling. This is like overloading basically because your constructor here get nums, for example, does not take any values. So when we are trying to print obj dot nums, it will go to this function and print these. While
okay.
if we give the value, then it will go to set nums. I think must be like
Okay,
that.
okay. Let's check that. Let's check that. 2 comma 6. I don't know if it is not returning anything, right? See, it's obj.nums is not a
No, no,
function.
because अच्छा वो
Acha, okay.
string जैसा
Wait.
देना है
I gave
something
two
not this
arguments,
one.
I think.
Yeah, you have to give like this.
Still not a
Hmm.
function.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah, because
You can't log now this function.
sorry,
You cannot log the line number 22.
you want me to comment it?
Yeah, and try to.
Actually, let's not take it so complicated. It's not even important. Also.
It's not important. Yeah.
Huh. So when you're doing this, this function is getting called. Setting function is called when you're putting equal to. Priyanka.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go further, guys. Like anyone is having any other doubt other than this? All right. So we'll go further. Ash will go further. Ash Goel.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the answer is correct. So coming to this point. So what will be the output of the following program? Priyanka. I think it's again for you.
Okay. So, okay, it's the same thing here. We are splitting at space instead of comma.
Mm-hmm.
So, once we call e power x
Mm-hmm.
dot parameters, it goes to, so e power x is the object here, const e power x, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And parameters is the function that we are calling. And we are calling 2 comma 3, yeah. Sorry, 2 space 3. So, 2 is your this dot x and 3 is this dot n.
Mm-hmm.
So here he has put result as 1 and y as 1. Then we are going from 1 to 3. But this is less, so only 1 and 2. Yeah, 1 and 2. So then now we are multiplying 1 by x. So 1 into 2, y is equal to this thing,
May I do
10.
one thing? So
2 into 2, 4.
I'll put it here. Okay. So you can tell me the line numbers where you're referring to.
Okay.
One second. Can we format this actually? Is it possible to format in this?
Yeah, somehow it can be done, but I don't know how actually. Some people are doing it actually.
No.
उसमें तो we can do it in this thing ना
Yeah.
VS Code.
The VS Code we can do, but I'm not able to do it here.
अच्छा
Fine.
छोड़ दो, it's okay,
It's
leave it.
okay. So
Okay,
I think
so what I was
you can
telling,
select then use.
I selected right click. Is it transform code? Um, I don't know what it is.
ghostwriter, there's some ghostwriter also. Okay, this is good.
Find reference.
What is transform code?
अरे forget it
That's
now.
what I did.
What-
All these are AI powered
he's
features.
calling what he is calling some ghostwriter.
Okay, let's leave it. Leave it, bro.
Leave
I'm
it.
not able to do it.
Okay. From line 19, at
Mhm.
line 19, the object e power x calls its function parameters. Yeah.
Correct.
And 2, 3 get passed to the setter here. Okay.
X and N
So,
gets passed.
yeah. So it splits that space, and
Mm-hmm.
then we get this dot x as 2 and this dot n as 1,
3,
sorry, 3.
and we are
And then,
calling.
yeah, then we go to getter.
Mm-hmm.
अच्छा getter के inside getter only we are solving all this
Yeah,
thing.
that's fine. That is okay.
Okay. So then result is 1, y is 1. So that means we are starting from 1 till 2. Only 2 loops we have to do. Yeah. So that means 1 into 2 and then
Hey,
into 2.
once again. Yeah.
1 into 2 into 2. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then result plus y. Yeah. So initially it was 2 and then 2 plus 4. 6. Result has become 6.
Once again. So it's 1 into 1 for the first time, right? Y is 1, X is 1.
Yeah. No, no,
Okay.
x is 2, na? X is 2. This dot x is 2.
Uh, Acha,
2,
okay.
na?
Sorry,
2.
sorry, sorry. Yeah.
2.
This dot x is 2.
2.
Okay.
2.
During the first iteration, 1 into 2.
Yeah.
So result
And into
plus
2.
y.
Okay. This will become, this is 1 plus 2 is 3.
Hmm. Okay. So we are going
Yeah.
to the next iteration.
Next iteration. Into 2.
What is this? Y is
2. This is
no
2
y is 1, right?
into,
Is 2.
no, y is 2 now, na?
Where are we increasing
Y
y?
values.
We are increasing I,
Y.
not y.
Y is equal to y into this dot x, no?
Acha.
So y
Okay.
Okay.
or
Correct.
Okay. 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 Now got it.
Y has become this, na? 2 into 2. 4.
2 times 2, 4. Okay. So
4.
here,
So
4 plus 3.
3 plus 4, 7.
that's
Next
right.
3 plus 3
4.
plus 4, na? 7.
Yeah, it's 7. Priyanka.
7. Correct.
That's great. So we just need to be careful about the code. That's all. How they are
Correct.
doing it. Otherwise, it's simple only. All right.
But in quiz, they are not giving questions as simple as this. Huh? Let me tell you this.
In quiz, they will ask questions from 3 and 4th week, right? Third and fourth week.
Hmm.
So again, for quiz 2, they'll ask mostly from 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
Concepts, these are basic concepts.
No, Gogol, actually they in the quiz one they asked let and where variable
Yeah.
maximum
And
questions.
arrow functions. They asked where, let, and arrow functions. That was the
See, we will
only
Yeah,
thing
explore
that
the
they
quiz
could
one
Yeah,
answer.
question
yeah.
from
papers
these two
also.
only.
Don't worry, we'll explore the quiz one question papers also. Now let's finish this
Yeah,
one.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, Priyanka. No, no, no.
No,
Priyanka, you did the
no,
previous
somebody
question, I
else.
think,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, somebody else.
Yes, you do it.
Yeah, okay. So what will be the output of the following program?
Mm-hmm.
So we have an object called course, which is defined
Right.
with const, so we cannot change it. Course name is mad2, modern application development 2, and course coded MAT2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Then again, there is an object called student, which has a prototype of course, and
Okay.
then student name and student activity. So what this single proto does is it just copy all the attributes of course with the student.
So it will copy all. It's like extending, right?
Yeah,
So, so it's something
What
like
does proto do? Proto?
it will copy all these things inside Office.
yeah. So now you can access the student dot course name and it will give you modern application development.
I'll show you that, Priyanka. I'll show you that. Okay. So we have this here. Shall we console log student and see? Will it come?
Yeah. And in line number 11, it will just
Let's see.
give the course name.
Okay. So what has happened? No, it's not here.
Yeah, actually, it is just kind of association, not directly copying into that.
Okay. So can I do student dot course name?
No, I'm not sure, but you can do the line number 11 thing. That what was shown to us.
Yeah. See,
Yeah.
it's coming.
So it's like a kind of association
Hmm. So
with
basically,
that.
it
Is
is
it
there,
something like
but it is
super?
hidden. It
Use
is
of super?
No, 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 no.
No?
so it is there, but it is
Super,
hidden. We can say
super
like that.
assigns the values for that object too. This is like a relationship. For example, there is a course mad2 and it got assigned to this student.
Acha, you cannot see it in the dictionary in that map, but you can see, matlab, it is there. Inherently, it has been inherited, sort of.
Correct.
Or
By
there's
the
a,
way,
Not
by
yeah.
the way, length of the
inherited.
object, is it like undefined always, guys? Length of
Not
object, is it
sure.
always undefined? See, I just tried student dot length. Let's ignore that. Go ahead, guys.
It's a dictionary, what I
I think
wanted to
like
say. Can you get
as
length of a
course,
dictionary?
yeah.
It looks like a dictionary, but it is more a JSON object.
But
Mm-hmm.
you cannot get length, no? It's a JSON object.
I think like similar to course name or student name, length is also an attribute. not a function for this student object.
Okay. So should I give length of the brackets? Wait, it's my- Ah. Okay, leave that. I'm just being
Have you tried
curious.
alien, just alien,
Sorry.
student.len?
Dot len now.
Yeah,
Len of.
with brackets. Yeah.
Nope. All right.
Like if in line after line number 8, if you create another attribute length and then assign it any value, I think then it would return a
Ah, that is okay. I'm
string.
just trying to see
Yeah.
how many values are present in this.
I think
Mm-hmm.
to use dot length, you have to create a function inside this object length. Like
Okay.
they did it to change
Uh,
the name, right?
get size.
What? Not able to follow. Okay, let's ignore that. Let's come back to the point. What is happening here? Hmm?
Maybe size will work. Okay.
Dot size, huh? I don't know. Like, see, you have to verify it and tell me, Priyanka. Like,
Okay, 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 okay.
if
I'll
you
verify
if
and tell
you
you.
can check it out in the
Sure,
background or
sure,
something
sure,
on a
sure,
different
sure,
device,
sure,
then
sure.
you can tell. Let's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
try
yeah, yeah, yeah,
sample. Hmm.
yeah.
So proto is not clear to me now.
Proto is not what?
Not clear to me what is proto.
Okay. So Ishita, you wanna say? You were saying.
Proto
Gokul,
is like
actually we have console.log student.course name. Can we get the solution here using proto
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. See, if I don't,
in line number 11? If we do
huh?
not have proto, then it will be invalid.
Yes,
Yeah,
it will show an undefined,
yes.
basically undefined.
He did not undefined.
I did actually.
Undefined.
See, undefined.
Okay, so basically proto is a child of parent class type only, like we've studied in Java.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, some type of inheritance. Yeah.
what is line number 12 doing? I don't understand that.
Coming right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So
Now
okay. Yeah, I got it.
let's do something and see what is happening. Okay, is it like assigning student to the course name or what is happening here?
I think it is creating like a dictionary with course name and it is assigning the first value from the student.
First value from the student.
Uh, yeah,
No.
like if you
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
because then it should have printed course code also, na?
Okay. Okay, let's check their solution. Like they would have given something. Student object inheritance, exactly. Inherit from the course object, so it will have access to all the properties of object. So B is correct. No, oh wait, yeah, that's right.
Only here, even I have this doubt what Ishita was having. No, what does it mean? Course name is equal to student within this thing. What he is trying to do here? What is getting assigned to what?
Like if we comment out this line, const course name equal to student, I think we won't get this console.log. It will throw an error, I think so.
No, that is correct.
That is correct.
Okay, that is fine. But what I want to understand is why, like just Gokul was writing the student dot course name, which was making lot of more sense, and like and printing out the same thing. Yeah, student dot course name. Now, what
Mm-hmm.
have we done here actually? We have sort of said that we have an array student, and
Gokul,
Yeah.
please in line number 12, can you make instead of student, can you make it course?
then also I think
Yeah,
it will work. Next spelling.
course.
It will still work, no? Course to has it, no?
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
still working.
So basically, if we make it student, then it move to student class, and then we have proto as course only. Then it again move to course class, I think.
That is fine. There is no doubt about that because it is working like student and child, parent and child. So no problem here. But what I'm just trying to understand why he's trying to write like this. What do you mean by brackets and course name?
Ah, see, we have course in this, right? So this is what we are doing here, and let's try to remove the bracket and see. This is different, I think.
What have you done?
This is giving some different
Course
answer.
name is equal to course, and we have now done student,
So when I gave course name
and
equal to course, so it is
it
giving
has added. It
the
has
whatever it
added the
is.
course name. It has
What?
added the whole course name to that. Yeah.
Exactly. It's just reference.
Student.
Call by reference.
Hmm.
Okay. So I'm doing the console log. Student, it is having this. So when I put a bracket, right? So when you put a bracket, so what is happening is for the course name,
It,
okay, you'll have something. So in the course, you'll have something called as course name.
Hmm.
Okay. So what this line basically does is U or SENAME. Okay, course name equal to whatever you are passing on the right side. Course dot. This is what is happening.
Correct.
Okay, so shall we try the same thing for a different one? I'll just try for scones.
Spelling. Copy it. No, copy it. Don't write it.
No,
Somebody
no, no.
else.
I'm trying to do it for
Cons.
student actually.
Okay. Put course code. Acha. Okay.
No, student. I'm doing the student name equal to, uh, you know, it's going to take from student, right? Hold line. Did it take it? This looks weird.
Now, student course name. You do student name. हाँ, correct.
Let's check this. See, it's coming,
It will
Rakesh.
give.
Exactly what
Correct.
I told, right?
Correct. This will work. Yeah.
So shall we also try, since student is also having courses, right? So I'll try to do course name here. No, course name is already.
We have already done. No?
Yeah,
We
but
have already done.
we'll try to do student here.
That was your original question only.
So, okay, so course. Mm. So what I wanted to do is for the student object, I wanted to access course name, but we have put it as const. Like I'll do course code.
No difference. Can we do the whole thing, for
See,
example,
the Priyanka, is
course?
this does this have difference?
Which one?
This code.
Get mad.
Earlier I was having student name. Now I'm putting course code due to inheritance or something. Let's see if
Yeah.
it's coming up. Yeah, that's correct.
mad2.
See,
Now, can we do the whole course, for example? Can we do, or we cannot? It will be like an object.
what you want to do? Tell me what line. What you want to do?
See, if I want to print the whole course for student, like both course name and course code
That
should come. Can we
yeah,
do directly?
that is what that's direct equal to you can put, right?
Acha.
That's all. Priyanka,
Ah.
this will give us the whole course, right?
Now, I wanted to do like the way they have written.
No, 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 no,
Cost
no, no,
course is equal
no.
to
So,
student.
so
Can we
this
do that?
this syntax is meaning whatever I have put it on the right hand side.
Correct. ठीक है. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Actually, it's 7 o'clock. I have another session to go now.
We discussed today na, that today we will do up till 7:30.
But I have this PDSA from official thing. All right.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
from IITM.
What we can do is maybe
Mm-hmm.
Gokul, is it possible? How many questions we have done? How many are
Seven
remaining?
questions we are done. So three more is left.
So maybe what we will do is all of us will try to discuss. What do you say, guys? maybe Gokul can leave, then we can try to discuss.
Yes.
And if we are not understanding, we'll discuss with
Uh,
Gokul tomorrow. Else we'll start
Or else, hey,
3
can we
tomorrow.
finish this in 15 minutes? If you guys,
actually, I also have another session at 7, so I'll
okay,
have to
you're
leave.
also mentor, right?
Not the mentor, the other class.
What is that?
Not related to this course actually.